Are you looking for the best car stereos with backup camera in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best car stereos with backup camera. Starting at number 5, we have the Nhopeew car stereos with backup camera. Nhopeew and its car stereo models can be another viable option for all those who want something made for long-term usage, but want the same without paying a premium for the same. This Nhopeew car stereo is the most durable and reliable option given here thanks to its build quality and warranty period, as you will see later on. As for its form factor, even though it uses a doubled-in standard, it uses a vertical 9.7-inch display, which is not common and may not work in all cars. You will be glad to know that this car stereo also offers a high-quality HD camera for backing up your car. Talking about the connectivity options offered by it, it offers all of the common options like Bluetooth, USB, AUX, and radio to the user. Coming to the key feature of this car stereo, you get a 5-year warranty, with it making it perfect for long-term usage. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Adapter Universe car stereos with backup camera. The Adapter Universe double-din car stereo is the perfect solution for a superior in-car entertainment experience. With a 7-inch LED display and compatibility with a range of media formats, including CDs and DVDs in 1080p quality, this stereo offers a crisp and clear display. It also features Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for hands-free access to phone contacts, music, maps, and more. The stereo supports front and rear view cameras for optimal visibility and has Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity for wireless audio streaming and hands-free phone calls. Its preamp and subwoofer outputs, 30-band EQ, and USB charging options provide an unparalleled listening experience. Check size compatibility before purchasing. We offer 24-hour technical support, detailed user manual, and FAQs for easy installation. At number 3, we have the Leadfan car stereos with backup camera. Leadfan X7 double-din car stereo is a generous 7-inch touchscreen display. It offers convenient access to various functions, including phone mirror link, FM radio, Bluetooth 5.0, and a backup camera. The phone mirror link is a noteworthy feature that allows you to easily connect your smartphone to the stereo and project its screen onto the display. This ensures you can access navigation, music, and messaging apps without diverting your attention from the road. The stereo's FM radio and Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity enable you to enjoy your favorite music and podcasts during your journeys. Additionally, the inclusion of a backup camera enhances safety and ease when parking and reversing. Its compatibility with original car steering wheel controls, allowing you to maintain control without distraction. At number 2, we have the Sjoybring's car stereos with backup camera. While you may not have heard about Strobring in the past, you can still consider its car stereo models, since most of them offer pretty great features and a great user experience for music playback. Sjoybring's car stereo is a highly practical option for many thanks to its included accessories, which not only includes a camera, but also a remote controller for ease of use. If you wish to control smart apps of this car stereo, then you can use its 7-inch display. When it comes to installing this unit in your car, you will have to use its double-din design for the same. Even though this car stereo comes with a backup camera unit included in the box, it does not mention its field of view, which can be a letdown for many. Fortunately, you do get decent connectivity options like Bluetooth, USB, SD card, AUX, and radio connectivity. Since Sjoybring is a new brand of car stereos, you only get a 30-day long warranty with it. And finally, at number 1, we have the Hieha car stereos with backup camera. You can also consider Hieha and its car stereo offerings if you are looking for something that is small and compact but does not compromise on its features because of its size. This car stereo uses a 7-inch screen along with the standard form factor of double-din, allowing you to install it in most cars with ease. Since this is an Android car stereo, you can easily view the video feed of its 170-degree backup camera. As for connectivity options offered by this car stereo, you get Bluetooth, USB, SD card, AUX, and radio. You also get a 1-year warranty with this car stereo for your peace of mind and decent longevity.
Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.